Hey there, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many people, gallstones. These tiny, pebble-like formations in your gallbladder can be quite uncomfortable, causing pain, nausea, and even blockages in the bile ducts. But fear not. We have a comprehensive guide featuring natural remedies and herbs that may help you deal with gallstones effectively. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Let's start by understanding what gallstones are and what causes them. Gallstones are hardened deposits that form in the gallbladder, often made of cholesterol or bilirubin. They can result from factors like diet, especially high-fat or high-cholesterol diets, genetics, obesity, rapid weight loss, and certain medical conditions. These stones can vary in size, from as small as a grain of sand to as large as a golf ball, and can cause intense pain and complications if left untreated. Now, let's explore some powerful herbs that are known for their gallstone-dissolving properties. Dandelion root. Dandelion root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support liver and gallbladder health. It contains compounds that may stimulate bile production and aid in the breakdown of gallstones. Turmeric. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. Studies suggest that turmeric may help reduce gallbladder inflammation and improve bile flow, potentially aiding in the management of gallstones. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is renowned for its liver protective effects. It contains silymarin, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Milk thistle may support overall liver function, which is crucial for gallstone management. Now, let's talk about some natural remedies and recipes you can try at home to support gallstone removal. Apple cider vinegar drink. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water. Drink this concoction before meals to help break down fats and potentially reduce the formation of gallstones. Lemon juice and olive oil flush. Mix equal parts of freshly squeezed lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. Drink this mixture followed by a glass of water before bedtime. Some individuals believe this flush can help eliminate gallstones, but it's essential to be cautious and consult with a healthcare professional. Herbal tea blend. Combine dandelion root, turmeric, and milk thistle in hot water to create a soothing herbal tea. Drink this tea regularly to support gallbladder health and potentially aid in the dissolution of gallstones. Lastly, let's discuss some lifestyle tips to complement these natural remedies. Maintain a healthy diet. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoiding high-fat and processed foods can reduce the risk of gallstone formation. Stay hydrated. Adequate water intake is crucial for overall health, including gallbladder function. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity to maintain a healthy weight and promote optimal gallbladder function. In conclusion, while natural remedies and herbs can offer support for gallstone management, they're not a substitute for medical treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider for proper diagnosis, treatment options, and guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on natural health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.